Hello my friends, welcome. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. This is what I created yesterday. It turned out so beautiful, and today I want to do, this was a 14 by 14, this is about a new canvas 20 by 20. I want to use the same colors, but changing the order just a little bit. No, I think I'll keep the order. I'm not going to use the unicorn spit because it really didn't show up too much. It did a little bit. Actually, I think I will use it again. Maybe I'll put more. But this time I'm not doing two blooms. I'm just going to do one big bloom. And I'm not going to be putting the green leaves on today. So there's the unicorn spit. So my colors are teal plus a cerulean blue, Liquitex dioxazine purple, Liquitex deep violet made a little bit lighter, Golden's quinacridone magenta. This one is a custom color. 3/4 of it is Quin Rose by Amsterdam. 3/4 is magenta, quinacridone magenta, and then I have primary element mango mamba in it. And then we have golden gosling. So we're gonna do one big bloom. I do want to have, well, I'm not sure if right now, we'll see how it goes, if I want to, how much negative space I want to keep, but we'll see. Okay, let's get started. Cover up my watch. Okay, my pillow paint is PPG Multi Pro. Now, I don't think I've done just a one bloom on this size before. Okay, let's see. Oop, my bottles are in the way. Just a little bit. All right, that's good. Okay, I'm going to start with my teal and cerulean blue. I'm going to make a nice big petal. I want lots of color. Let me, you know what? Well, no, I'll measure after my color puddle is. And that was the dioxazine purple. This is our deep violet, which is not at full strength. And our quinacridone magenta. Whoops. Get the full color. And this is our custom color, which is the Quin Rose, the Quin Magenta, and Mango Mamba. Okay, now I'm going to add our unicorn. In the center. Or unicorn spit, golden gosling. Let's see, where did I put my, I always put away my torch so my grandkids don't get it, because they come in here and do art also. Okay, we're going to be using Oxide Black Cell Activator. I think first I'm going to spread out the paint a little bit. Let's get it back in the middle. Now I'm going to measure this just so I know the next time I do this size 20 by 20, if this is too much or too less. It's almost 4 inch petal. Okay, let's put on our oxide black cell activator. Okay, I might blow down in the center first. Oh, this one's not plugged in. I guess I won't. Okay. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to let all the black cell activator sit there and do its thing. Okay, so we got more cells coming up. Okay, let me see. I'm going to measure this bloom again. I'm going to put my ruler. And it is, let's see. About 8 at 8.5 inches wide. And this is a 20 by 20. You torch it, see if any more bubbles come up. This is the time that you want to get rid of those little white pesky dots, but none did. So, okay, I'm gonna scoot this over and scoot my camera over, and I'll be back and we'll spin this out. Okay, so the phone rang and it cut off, so let's finish this. Ooh, that's big. Would have liked to see more blue. It's beautiful, it's big. It's a big bloom. Okay, now I see some these starting to come up. Gonna pop those. See how much paint? Oh, hardly any paint. It will dry nicely. I can always take care of that. One last spin because I'm thinking of using this possibly for a mixed media piece, and it needs to be just a little bigger. Woo, big and beautiful. Look at that. Big and beautiful. I started seeing some more of the orange come out. Okay, I think this will dry nicely since I took out so much of the paint. I'm gonna scrape off underneath. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I like this color palette. I think I'm gonna do this a few more times to get that piece. I can't wait till I get a piece that I think will be perfect for my mixed media piece, because you don't even know what I'm talking about, right? Well, sooner or later I will get it and I will make it and I'll show it to you. Okay, well, God bless you, and I will see you in the next video. I'll get you down for a close-up, and I'll give you the dried results also after it dries, and then I'll post this. All right, have a wonderful day. God bless you.